的身旁，却还是一个人流浪，和从前一样。在你的身旁，你没回头，多直截了当，自私在不断上涨。我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象，就为之的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪，和从前一样。穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象，这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪，和从前一样。在铺垫着对你的奢望，你主动的退让，我被动的撒谎，做出一种虚伪的幻想，没离开的迹象。你没回头，多直截了当，自私在不断上涨。我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象，这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪，和从前一样。你没回头，多直截了当，自私在不断上涨。我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象，这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终 在铺垫着对你的奢望，你主动的退让，我被动的撒谎，做出一种虚伪的幻想，没离开的迹象。你没回头，多直截了当，自私在不断生长。我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪，和从前一样。你没回头，多直截了当，自私在不断生长。我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪，和从前一样。穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪，和从前一样。在铺垫着对你的奢望，你主动的退让，我被动的撒谎，做出一种虚伪的幻想，没离开的迹象。你没回头，多直截了当，自私在不断生长。我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。 私在不断生长。我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪。对时间一样，穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪，和从前一样。在铺垫着对你的奢望，你主动的退让，我被动的撒谎，做出一种虚伪的幻想，没离开的迹象。你没回头，多直截了当，自私在不断生长。我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪，和从前一样。你没回头，多直截了当，自私在不断生长。我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪。对时间一样，穷极一 着对你的奢望，你主动的退让，我被动的撒谎，做出一种虚伪的幻想，没离开的迹象。你没回头，多直截了当，自私在不断生长。我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪，和从前一样。你没回头，多直截了当，自私在不断生长。我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪，和从前一样。穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪，和从前一样。在铺垫着对你的奢望，你主动的退让，我被动的撒谎，做出一种虚伪的幻想，没离开的迹象。你没回头，多直截了当，自私在不断生长。我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。 直截了当，自私在不断生长。
Hello，
我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不问这场疯狂，始终掩盖自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪。对从前一样，穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。
Do you hear me and my screen now?
"在铺垫着对你的奢望，你主动的退让，我被动的撒谎，做出一种虚伪的幻想，没离开的迹象。你没回头，多直截了当，自私在不断生长。我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我。
Okay. Hi, dear Harmony members and investors. Welcome to my live. Today is November 10th. Okay, November 10th. Hold on, let me check the sound. Okay, so Tuesday already. How's you feeling now? Yeah, I received my wishes from you. Thank you very much. Yes. KH10, yeah, you're number one today. And we have for Wang, okay. Oh, okay, Mr. N, okay, thank you very much. And Ling, welcome, okay, and Miss Kamel. Okay, KH10, good afternoon. So is now the market is like compared to the deal market before we subscribe, we describe the market like a bullish one, bull like bear. That is a normal uptrend and downtrend. But in sideway, we use deer, the animal, the deal to describe means that very afraid of any uncertainty. But now it's more like a monkey, right? More like a monkey means still very active. Uncertainty still remains, but compared to before, people just kind of have more confidence because the fundamental news kind of clear now, and we improve. We can trade, and sometimes we can make money in the market. So more like a monkey market, very active. Okay, and yeah, today I will share you this one, the good news for the vaccine last night. And then should we need to sell the glove counters or not? And you know that many of the glove counters open now are kept down today. And then how can I build my portion to the after COVID-19 shares? What is so after COVID-19 share? In Mandarin, you can say it's 复工股. 复工股. Can you tell me how to express that in English? English, maybe you can express like after COVID-19, after pandemic, or back to work shares, or what? Something like this, something like this. And so is it a time? Because you know, from the analysis of the human nature, we always want to be the first one to build the button so that wait to fly. So after analyze this one, so you know that actually many of the investors just trying to average down or just buy some after COVID-19 shares. Okay, after COVID-19 shares include what? Include the hotel, right? So you see what kind of the concept, what kind of the shares is related to this one, means their business will recover. Okay, will recover of this one. For example, the hotel and the travel concept, and also the aviation, right? The airline companies like AirAsia, right? Last night in the America, in the US market, also a lot of airline shares just fly. Okay, and some of the there is a joke there. Some of the people investor get stuck before, and they just don't know how to unstuck last night. And they find that finally they kind of win a little bit in this airline shares. Very interesting. And also the travel, right? The restaurant and the shopping mall and something like this. And I don't know in Malaysia, in Busa, have any ship, okay? The 游轮, the cruise ship, the passenger ship or not. But in US have a lot. I'm not very sure in the local market. Yeah, so all of these shares, is it time for you to build your portion? Because we know if the vaccine have possible, okay, the news is like what? The news it says that the okay, I'll put it here. I will put it here already, right? Later on we'll share for you. Okay, so we'll share this one. If you're the first time to watch my live, okay, here's a brief introduction. At noon time, yeah, basically every day I will have this trading live. But sometimes if I didn't have this live, I will send the lunch break, the words in my WhatsApp group. Then you can also receive it. But I will try to do, and especially some big events. Okay, some important things happened. So in this live, basically we'll focus on analyze your shares. Of course, I will also add some brief introduction, a brief view of the whole market. This is the lunch session. At the ninth session, I will also have the market close analyze. But that one is not live. I just record a video to do a summary of the whole market and share some something important for you to prepare or to lay out before next day's market open. So today, if you have any shares you want to analyze, you can just leave. You can send me the form. Is your share code number, entry price, and your trading cycle to my WhatsApp 011-1652-7962. Okay, WhatsApp your share code number, entry price, and the trading cycle to 011-1652-7962. If during the live, you can just leave in the comment, no problem. But after live, you want to make sure your shares will be analyzed, then you just WhatsApp me, no problem. And of course, this video is beautiful study and discussion, not for recommendation and not for call buy and sell. Everyone need to trade with your own independent thinking. And Homely also offer the training, more focused to give you the methods to win in the market instead of the tipsy. And also we have very powerful tools at the Homely software to always can let you track the movement of the bankers and then win in the market. Okay, so let's take a look at the Dow first. About the Dow. Okay, hold on. Let's see the one. Okay. I think you can see my whole screen. What is this? Okay, we take a look at the market, the Dow. Last night is really interesting. So you know the market, if you have a little bit monitor, because in the beginning of market, I also have a look, take a look of the US one. And at that time, 1,000 points gap up, okay? Because last night is the first day after Mr. Biden, after the election, announced that Mr. Biden win the election. So this uncertainty already becomes certain now. So people were more confident about their concept related shares. But during the time, okay, the vaccine news just came out. Then it just going back very fast, especially Nasdaq and the S&P 500. Dow also go down, but not so much. So totally yesterday, the Dow Jones have around 2.66%. Is also very strong up. And do you remember last night? Last night, if you watch my recorded video of yesterday's market close, let me see, where is it? I think I will put in this I have been put in my market close if you have watched it. So yesterday, yeah. This video KLCI trading volume last night. So I have been analyzed that the US future is also very strong up, okay, push up, and also Europe shares shows the same. Okay, but later just also have some news, because if the vaccine shares come out, it means that, okay, the news I will read for you the news of the vaccine. It says that the Pfizer 美国辉瑞Pfizer, this share I show you, PFI, very famous vaccine shares in US. Okay, 辉瑞. So you see also very gap up, right? But also going back. This company, okay, they have a new vaccine, which is the effective at more than 19%. So the global resumption concept is the after COVID-19 shares just soaring, okay, just gap up and like this one, and all other after COVID concepts just benefit the after COVID-19 shares. Okay, so but you can see this is a Pfizer but you can see we cannot trade. We cannot trade, and what you think and what you hear, we need to trade with what you see. Okay, what you see, especially in the chart, because it can tell us the objective. So we can see this chart, whole trend of this vaccine. So actually very volatile, like this one. Okay, you can trade like sweeping video short-term trends, no problem. But if you're long-term, very volatile. So best strategy, of course, sideways. Last night breakout before, but actually we need to check the funds. Funds is very important elements to verify your trend can continue up or not. Even yesterday, the shares just gap up so much, totally have 7.6%. But maximum, if you concept the you count the high price, so you can see if high price have 16% yesterday, okay, but if you calculate with the close price is only 7%. But you see the funds of bankers only 25%. The red chips is the big funds. So means that still very small funds to push it up have big funds inside, but the percentage is not enough. Okay, it's not enough. And before we also shared the red chips, the market makers can control the whole share after it can reach 50%. Now it's only 25%. So means can only lay out as short term. Even you think long run have a very good chance. Of course, if you are long-term investor, then should be okay. And you or we also kind of ignore this one, ignore the correction. So we see how much percent of the correction. So for example, 43 days drop 70%. So maybe it's your tolerant area. So then should be okay. But even you do long term, the big funds also not enough. Okay. Also need to make sure the banker chips more than 50%, you become more safe. So this is from Fisher. This news is benefit to the whole market. Okay, and then we also can take a look about today's okay, this is about the US one. US reflect, and you know why we need to check the US situation, because it always influence the Asia market and the Europe market, especially Asia market. You know, today the Hong Kong market, Hong Kong airline shares also fly. If you have Hong Kong shares, you can also check. Okay, and now we can take a look about the local market. KLCI. I cannot screenshot. Okay, so here is the KLCI. Now it goes to 1555. It's really strong shoot up. And yesterday we talked about the previous high here. Is 1530. Do you remember? Right? Last night in my recorded version, I will remind this one. So it's very easy to break out. So we need to see which sector driven up. Okay, driven up. And actually, as we just said, it's kind of after convid-19 shares. So we can take a look. This is one. This is the sector today. Today totally we can see at the counters the sector here. The big push up is the energy, because we know that energy related shares is really strong influenced by the pandemic one. So the supply is very weak before, right? But if the vaccine become good news, of course you will release the pressure of the convent of the cases. But we know that in the US and also in local in Malaysia, the case is still increasing. We don't know whether the vaccine can benefit or not, but it's not for short term, it's still for long term. You know that the SARS, the SARS in Taiwan, you also last few years then get the vaccine. So it's not a short term things. Okay, if you really want to do short term, you need to have some basic knowledge of the charting and also to lay out as short term and know their method how to buy low and sell high. Otherwise, you just take a rest or you choose other one. Okay, everything we need to have a reason, and you need to find the regularity to win in the market. Otherwise, if by luck, then you know nothing. Okay, you cannot continue. Also in today, you know, many local market like local shares like Genting Malaysia, like Air Asia, like the 5014, some of the shares also just gap up. Later we check a little bit. So you see this energy, right? Energy. We can talk about the energy sector now. Yeah, is of course it will benefit after convid-19, right? KL Energy. We see the whole sector here. This is the whole sector of the energy. And we just use the rainbow. The rainbow is very important because we need to focus how far of the price reach to this white line. White line is boundary of bull and bear. So you see, we don't talk about the white line. Actually, you haven't break up the blue line. Blue line is a half year, around half year line, a half year trend. So means the chance of the energy is still very short term. maximum half year chance. Now and still going down. But we see this is yesterday chart. This is yesterday chart. Yesterday chart also no funds to push it up. So we know even today have a very strong up. Now it's 5%. Now it's 5%. Compared to the general yesterday or compared to before, 5% of sector is really much. Okay, it's really much. We see the price. Hold on. Energy 701 701. Okay, 701.5654. I will draw for you. 705 around where here. Okay, here is 701. So after today market close, you download the data, the candlestick will be here. Okay, will be here. So even here, very strong bounce back. Okay, very strong back, but still have some space to the blue line. So means that if you really want to trade only for short term, okay, only for short term, it's not for long term or not for long term. Vaccine have news, but you cannot drive it up, and also no funds, no big funds to enter. Funds, the big funds no enter at one day suddenly. They have a lot of funds they need to build step by step. If you know how to track them, then you will not miss out the chance, because you still can make money even you lose the low point. Okay, so I mean that you need to make sure have big funds to enter now. Okay, then you can start to add your portion. Cannot just average down. Okay, cannot just average down. And this is the energy. So even today here still have some space. Short term, no problem. If you have shares want to analyze, you can just WhatsApp me. Later on we'll check for you. This is for energy. And then the number two, the number one is finance, actually. Financial service. You see 6%. The energy is 5%. So this two is kind of the big one. So you see, even today the index, even today the index is very strong up, but you know, compared to last 3 days, it's really different energy to push it up. We need to know this one, and then you know how to lay out. So means that before 3 days ago is this wave people make money, but today is another wave people make money or unstuck in the market. Okay, so we need to know this one, then you can change your strategy. In my opinion, actually, I have vaccine shares for long term. I have 2 vaccine shares, and I also have glove one, but I do short term really one. Glove I do short term. Glove for myself. I need to take my profit very fast. Okay, no hesitation, no greedy. Okay, but vaccine I cannot now. It's to have some arrangements. For example, the Duke Pharma. This is very famous vaccine share in local. So very slowly, but actually compared to other vaccine, this is the shares with maximum banker chips inside, 88%. Today is also gap up. Okay, I'm not recommending shares, just analyze, share you the way how to analyze. Okay, so everybody need to be careful. Don't just buy the shares directly. Need your own analyze. Okay, Duvama. Okay, so today also gap up 2.99%, but goes down. But actually the banker chips still have 88% compared to yesterday 15% up. So it's also good one. So you don't need to worry even if you do medium long term, so no, it's okay. But if glove, then it's another one. So this is for the analysis of the one. Then let's take a look at the finance. KL finance. So how the vaccine influence the finance? Okay, vaccine good. If vaccine will come out as faster, then the pandemic cases will reduce. Then it's good for the whole economy. If the economy is recovered, and of course it will benefit the bank. This is the logic of the investors. So they will buy the financial one. Okay, but let's see. Okay, we need to trust. We need to trade at what you see in the chart. Now also downtrend. Okay, the whole financial downtrend below the blue line also. So not talk about the strong and the weak. Of course, it's weak area, and also, but it's a little better than the energy, okay, better than the energy. And also, still no funds because energy have a lot of retailers, have a lot of investors get stuck inside. But this financial one so far, no, okay, so far no. Some of them are still okay, and also low big funds and just rebound, and we can just draw a line here, have some channel, but no problem. We have homely rainbow here, still need to break up the yellow line. Yellow line is 2 to 3 months, 2 to 3 months. Okay, today the price is financial is 13084. 13084 is around 13 so much 13 hold on 1 so around here. Oh, really high. So around here now. So really strong, really strong. You already break up this one. Then need to break up the white line, okay? But in my opinion, even after market close today, I can remains. So still some medium short term, okay? It's not for long run. Still need to break up the white line. Except the vaccine still can have good news, but so far we have only 2 or 3 good news for the vaccine, right? So everyone need to trade with cautious. About healthcare miners, okay, is the big drop today. Why is red color? It's green color. Here should be red color because it dropped. Okay, it dropped 2.6%. So healthcare. Okay, so we just talked, okay, whether we can talk about the vaccine. Of course, I will analyze your shares now, and tonight I also say that I will record a video about the vaccine. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, and then about the this is one of the vaccine, and other vaccine, for example, the solutions is the vaccine related to China also gap up with the banker chips 79%. Okay, 79%. You see also slowly up. But good thing is that trying to break up the previous high. Okay, previous high. Then compared to this one, Bintai. Okay, Bintai is trying to break up but haven't successful yet. Also gap up and then goes down. So if short term, okay, short term you do sweep short term, you can take profit already. But from the funds of this Bintai, you see only 37%. Okay, 37%. And okay, now we talk about the last one is the after convid shares. Okay, we check about this top gainers today. So you see, number one is the Air Asia. Okay, but so this is really the airline shares, right? Airline shares. Let's take a look about. Can you build a portion now? But I think it's good news for those investors who get stuck in this share, because I know a lot of retailers get stuck. You see, yesterday still have 76% of the funds is losing money. Today is only 32%. So because yesterday no news so it's hard to believe that people just cut loss yesterday. Okay, so we can only explain why the green chips is people who lose money. Okay, the chips of people who lose money. Today is 32%. So we can calculate 32. Yesterday is 76. Okay, 76. Totally have 34% of the retailers unstuck today. So you know why? So because of the push up. Okay, 1 minute by some of the bankers, but the bankers haven't confirmed yet, only for short term. So you know why people just don't know why I'm unstuck today. 62%. Okay, 62%. You compare to the ATR, the glove shares yesterday also increased 61%. But at least you know is the bankers gradually push it up. Okay, gradually push it up. You see, so many days, so you know you can find the regularity. But actually, this one the Asia, you know why, okay? It's purely the news driven, okay? So news driven, you really cannot not sure it can continuing or not. So we use the homely rainbow, okay? Homely rainbow. So it's still below the white line, okay? Still below the white line. And also lead to breakout and also lead the funds to push it up substantially. Now banker chips 35%. If it can remains, okay, no need to talk about increase how much. If it can remains, you can do short term, no problem. But if you can increase and then also trying to break up the white line and the blue line, you can continue to add some portion, no problem. But if you have been stuck before, now it's not the chance for you to average down, except you are very experienced trader, you have your own method. If you are just you don't know the charting things and you just hear the news to average down, it's still a little bit aggressive, okay? Be careful. And if you didn't catch this 62%, means that before you didn't buy, so maybe it's also not your chance, okay? It's not your chance, because it's kind of the news one, and it's also just gap up. You cannot buy it. So you see the tick chart of today of this chart, it just gap up, later on just going down. So even you chase, you can only make around how many percent here 60 10% like that, okay? 10%, then just finished, okay? Be careful. So it's not your choice, okay? It's not your luck if it's not your luck if you didn't get it. So but you still can make money if you have method. For example, this one still going up, okay? This one still going up. K-Star is really strong share and the safe share before, right? So today also have another 10%. I don't know what's the concept, but I know that so many bankers control. So I have a few members have this one, 100% already. Less than 1 week, less than 1 week have 100% already, because he have chosen this one. Very fully support by the bankers and easy for you to find the regularity. Other members also have around 200% already, less than 1 month. Okay, so do they also have 10%, right? So this is the case. Trade at what you see, not what you hear and what you think. Okay, especially the think. We have a lot of people expect this and that, so be careful that one. Okay, this is and then we check a little bit other thing. The one is Asia. Okay, we check a little bit others. Tango holding, so you see all the one is just gap up, then go stop. Okay, Asia group also 5099. It's a similar. This is a landmarks. Okay, landmarks. Landmarks is better one because yesterday already control, and today is kind of a dark horse pattern. But in this special time, dark horse pattern also have a regularity to might be loose. You need to maintain. You need to see banker chips need to maintain. Today slightly down, but still okay. Trying to break up the white line. Need another 2 days to confirm can stand above the white line and with the banker chip support. Otherwise, I just finished. Malaysia Airport again. Airline shares. Okay, 20%. This one better one because at least it didn't drop. Okay, you also gap up, but it just keep flying. That is a good one. You see the chips situation, the retailer compared to yesterday reduced 70%. So really good chance for short term only, for short term. Because you see the whole trend still below the white line. Okay, sorry, let me make it bigger. So you see still below the white line, okay? So if gap up, if you missed up, so intraday, I think you have chance because all the way this share in the 1 minute chart. So just stand above the yellow line. So you can also buy here till now, you still can make money 20% around. Okay. If today you buy, so at least 10%, at least 10% already. This is also airline. This figures highs, and this is the golden earth. PA, I don't know this share, but it's kind of good pattern, also good pattern with banker chips 65%. Okay, and okay, others like canteen also, right? Canteen, we see canteen. Canteen also have 14%. But is it time for you to average down? Of course not. You see the whole trend, so can only trade it as rebound. Okay, now the market. So you see, it just one day you don't know how you win and how you lose. The best thing you just don't touch before you sort it out. Okay, it's very important. So that's why, yeah, we offer the training course for you to learn more. Okay, to see the market clearly. Okay, now it's time to share your check your shares now. Oh, I talked too much today. Okay, so remember, this is the way how you analyze your share. Say WhatsApp your share code number, entry price, and the trading cycle to 011 1652 7962. Okay, WhatsApp your share code number, entry price, and the trading cycle to 011 1652 7962. Let me check your shares now. Now today our birthday news is bigger, more than their shares in Burma. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. Landmark, Siu Fa Rei, landmark. Just now we have checked already. But actually, you tell me this one with this form, then better. With this form better, because I can give you the details. But we also check the long term of the landmark. The landmarks, okay, the landmarks. We check about the long term. Weekly chart, this is quarterly chart. Have some support, kind of support here. The previous low is 16%, 16. Now it's kind of 21. Rebound chance, okay, rebound chance. You see today, also trying to break up the Y9, but haven't confirmed yet. One day cannot say break up successfully. But the good thing is that I just said yesterday already have bankers. Yesterday retailers disappeared already. If you find it yesterday, maybe it's a good chance. Yesterday you can try to enter as a short term. And today you can win 25%. If the bankers remains, okay, another 2 days, have correction, no problem. But the correction cannot break down the white line, then you still have a chance. Okay. This is for Xiu Fang Yue. And KK Chen, Iris 0010, Iris lead to colors on hold 01 1. Okay, each one analyze one share. And also appreciate you can share this video out to your stock friend. Thank you very much. Your support always really matters to me. Iris, yeah, really big correction, but it didn't break down the blue line. Blue line is a half year, the medium long term trend. I don't know your trading cycle, but for short term, be careful because the previous high give resistance. So make sure you give me this term, then I can give you more details. But now only for short term because banker tips only 32%. No energy to push it up. Retailer chips is 29%. So only very short term, except it can break up this sub resistance. And then you will reach to another resistance. Okay, short term chance only. But today, if you do short term, we go to hourly chart. Okay, when the red bar turns to green bar, it's sell point. So actually, yes, November, here's the time, November 6th, last Friday, 4 p.m. already have sell point, okay, for short term. Make sure you have a good way to enter and exit. Otherwise, it's really hard to make money. You see, if you listen to the news, you cannot always make money. 3 days ago, this way people make money. Today is another way to make money. But if you have your method, you can always survive in the market. Okay, that's very important. Next one, Charlie 0170, Kanka, CTS. Okay, 17 cents. Okay, good. And you do short term, we see the whole trend of this share is also in correction, very strong correction. In the daily chart, if you do short term, you analyze chart is not mini chart but daily chart. If you do short term, you cannot analyze in 60 hour. You cannot analyze in hourly chart and then buy and sell in hourly chart. Okay, you need to look longer and then trade in short time frame, which is very important. But if you trade medium long term, okay, medium long term investor, you can use daily chart to enter and exit. And we can see this Kanka, banker tips only 21%. So if you do short term, I think you can just take a profit in time. We go to hourly chart. Hourly chart, still red color. Red color means short term uptrend. Green color mean green bar here means short term downtrend. So when the green turn red is a buy, now it's still red means you can hold, but it's a little bit slowly because it's losing momentum in uptrend. If this afternoon it turns to green, you just take a profit. Okay. Now you still have 2 cents. Okay, I can check the 0072 for you because many of you have this one. I just gap down directly. If you have listened to my last night recorded version, yeah, so you will know that I also analyze the support area, the support price. Even the shares is so crazy, so good. You need to always set your stop loss to verify your method. Your method always tested the market. If success rate is higher, means your profit also will become more stable. And the AT. So yesterday I just also said the half price of this candlestick is your stop loss. It's around 175. Around 175. Today it touched. Okay, today the low price is 17, but it just pull back very fast. So I think if you do short term, no problem. If you do short term, you can find the time to take a profit. But for long term, still no big problem. Long term, I mean what I mean that if you kind of for few weeks or longer, no problem. But shorter means T+2 like this or intraday like that. Okay, that you can consider, no problem. But we can see the banker chips still have 83%. 83% still fully strong. And we can see it's also stand the correction is still above this resistance. So we can consider this correction okay because you need to digest the news. The vaccine is not good for the glove one, right? Glove one. But because the vaccine news cannot continue, we say it's a kind of a long run. So far, only give short-term correction, give short-term chance, influence to the trend of the glove one. And so you can see this is a strong glove shares. Before you also have some industry concept, but now it starts to do glove, but it cannot influence the whole trend. Be careful, you not influence the whole trend. You don't just shake, okay? Don't just shake. If you have your own principle, for example, if your stop loss just 10%, you cut, no problem. You cut, no problem. Later on, have buying point, you can buy again, no problem. But I just share you mine, okay? So then should be also no problem because it didn't break down my stop loss. But if this afternoon it break down, I just exit. Yeah, no problem. You can always make money in the market, okay? So maybe this one cannot, then another one. Just trying to improve your system, okay? Your system. Then we'll go to the hourly chart. So intraday, so intraday you see if intraday the price when you break down the yellow line, this is around 10.50. Okay, you already break down already, already exit already. The price here is around 187. Now it's still sideways here, but if this afternoon it still can break up the yellow line, you still can consider, and you can make more if the banker tips also increase. Okay, this one. And some of you maybe use the 15 minutes. Okay, I can also check for you. 15-minute chart also have sell point. Sell point today 9:30. Okay, 9:30. Now it's a slightly bounce back, But you can see the whole trend is still above the trend line, above the major line. So you can consider this one as a short-term correction. Okay, short-term correction. So you see, that's why we say that you need to have your own method, which is very important. And LAM 8125. Of course, now we can also take a look about other glove counters, other problem if you have. And we know Cosent yesterday have a very good performance, quarterly report. But we see the whole trend, whole trend. This is daily chart of the Cosent, Cosent. And still weak. Today, all the glove one is just gap down, right? Gap down. Vaccine gap up, the glove gap down. And you see the Corson yesterday have good performance, but actually the price didn't go up very slightly. Okay, very slightly. But we know the essence, the root causes is not because of the news. It's not because of the news. Sorry. But because of the whole trend, especially the bankers, we can also analyze here. Today, banker chips only how much? 22%, 23%, only 23%. You see, this is today's. Yesterday, even still have 40% around. Okay, but today is even less. But yesterday, yesterday a little bit up. But you can see, banker chips didn't up, slightly down. So you see, it's not the news can drive up the shares, but the funds, especially the big funds, can push it up. Make sure you know this very well and believe it firmly, okay? Because this is the principle how we just listen to the market, okay? Cannot listen to your thinking, listen to your hearing. Still in this big triangle pattern. So if maybe you will get some support around here, okay? But actually, if it cannot break out this resistance, then don't have a good chance. You need to sell yesterday when it cannot break out. So I can show you the sell point in mini chart. Mini chart. Sell point yesterday. Here is Monday 4 p.m. If yesterday you already sold, okay, here have sell point. When the red bar turns to green bar is the sell point. Yesterday the price is 7.5. If you sold already today, 9% is not matter with you. Okay, no collection with you. So software already remind you so earlier. Okay, and the next one, lamp. This glove, other glove. Okay, no problem. If you don't have, no problem. Next one. Okay, hold on. I need to check my WhatsApp because many news here. Excuse me. HLT, no problem. This is from Saufubahri. Sorry, I cannot pronounce well. Mr. Saufu. Okay, Saufu. 0188. You have the warrant A. Okay, no problem. We'll check about the mother share first. HLT medical related. Medical related also will influenced, okay, by the vaccine news. We can see you also have banker chips now is only around 31%. Also, the banker chips kind of decreasing, okay, decreasing. Today also gap down, just a little bit higher, but the whole trend is like this. We can just draw a line here, okay, like this. Still have some resistance, and also in this triangle. So all the glove one, I'm not saying that you will going down. I mean that all the glove one is kind of going in this triangle pattern. So in the end of the triangle, they will choose a direction, boom up or just break down. Okay, be careful and confirm with these banker chips. So this is the one can determines which direction they choose. Be careful. And this is a HLT. So you see the mother share is not so strong, and your warrant A. Let's talk about warrant A. Warrant A also gap down 8%. It's very similar pattern. You see the bank chips is stronger, 62%, 62%. And I don't know your enterprise. Enterprise 117, 117. 117, then I think now is not a good chance for you. Be careful, right? So Warren is trying to break down the line. So you see the triangle are trying to break down. So it's not a good sign because the bank chips also keep decreasing. So be careful. Let's take a look at the buy and sell. You use the hourly chart, no problem, because you trade 1 month, you do medium term. Medium term, okay, 1 month, we can just use the daily chart, no problem. Daily chart also have sell point here is Wednesday. October 21st. Okay, here is the time. October 21st, Wednesday, have sell point already. Last sell point is here when the price break down the major line. The major line is medium-term trend. If the bar already break down the major line, just take a profit. Okay, now it's trying to break out, but very, very thin. Okay, hold on. I'll make it bigger. So it break out. So one day cannot say successfully break out. Later on, very small bar. Okay. Later on, if we can remain above the major line, still no problem. But it break down again, just take a profit, switch to a stronger share. Okay. This is HLT. And next one. So yeah, so many one leave the message, but I will send you the charts after the trading or after the live. Okay, Chindi. Okay, because you're the number one, you send me. APP Asia, App Asia. Short term. We see the whole trend. We see the whole trend of the daily chart now. You do short term. So it's really in sideway. It's in sideway. So if it's in sideway, you need to wait until the sideway finished. So we can just also draw a line here. Before it's kind of break out. So far, no big problem. But actually, even it break out, why it cannot fly? Because the bankers didn't follow. Okay, if the breakout with a lot of bankers, also increase like this, then you have successful to break out. If no bankers to confirm, still cannot break out, still very weak. So at this case, if you do short term, then you see our banker chips kind of drop or kind of down. 53%, so need to be careful. So we go to short term. For example, hourly chart have buy point today, but still below the major line. So a little bit aggressive. Okay, aggressive. But now no sell point. If this afternoon it turn to green, still below the major line, can just take a profit. Okay. Yeah, ATR already analyzed. ATR already analyzed. I will choose other shares in the comment. And here's the way how to analyze your share. Send your share code number, entry price, and trading platform, and the trading cycle. Okay, Bintai, a vaccine share. Bintai, long term, okay. Bintai long term, if we see long term with rainbow, we check all the way standing above the white line, but it's very shaky area. And this one is the vaccine share related to America. Should be have a better performance, right? Because this news is come from US, but we still can only trade on the charts, not the news. Banker chips have little bit increased 37%. So I think the whole trend still no big problem if you do long term, right? Long term we analyze in daily chart or weekly chart, no problem. Daily chart is still kind of maintain this one. It can only fly after breakout. Okay, after breakout this line. Okay, after breakout this line with the bankers to push up. Now still not enough. Only 33%. Still need bigger one. And we talked about the weekly chart. Okay, we analyze a little bit longer because you do longer term. Okay, this is a weekly chart. Okay, I think before is useless. Okay, it's useless because this vaccine shares it's because of this pandemic one. So we just take recent. I think daily enough. Maximum weekly. Okay, maximum we use weekly chart. Weekly chart also in this sideway. So since this sideway didn't drop and also no lot value retailer, so still should be okay in long term. And LAM 8125. Enterprise 265. Short term to medium term. We check about the daily chart first. Oh, buy Bochi. Very volatile is in sideway now, but in this sideway, banker chips gone already. Be careful, be careful. But another good thing for you is that the banker chips decrease, but not many retailer. So all the way is the yellow chips. Yellow chips is the hot money speculator. Okay, so that's why it didn't going up and also didn't drop. Okay, didn't drop. If the yellow chips controls the share, it just going sideways. But actually, this sideways, you can also see, actually, it also have some resistance. And considering you also do medium short term, okay, so we can just trade in the short term 30-minute chart or hourly chart, no problem. This is a 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart still above the major line, still consider okay, still okay. But if you do short term, you can find one with more bankers. Then your profit momentum is stronger, is stronger. And ADV plus 0023, IFCA can hold at 355. 355. But you see the whole trend of the IFCA is not so good, not so nice. Also no funds, okay. All the way is gathering here in volatile. Banker chips only 14%. 14%. 3.5. Can only do short term. Even short term, you need to exit very fast. Enter and exit very fast, okay. So we use 30-minute chart, no problem. So you see, very sideways here, okay. So depend on yourself lah, okay. Because we also can find some strong shares. You use the software, so use the software. Okay, very easy. Go to the technical filter. Go to technical filter. You can just choose their bankers. Okay, bankers more than 75 or 50, no problem. Maybe 75 we try. 75% means fully controlled by the bankers. Fully controlled by the bankers. Some solutions also come out, right? Technology also very strong. You can also find some dragon DIY, UWC, so many strong shares. To short term, if you choose a strong share to trade short term, you already make sure you are very safe one, very safe one. Okay, many strong shares. So you can use the software to filter. Okay, then another share, Hova also vaccine. Hova also vaccine today, also gap up, but not so strong. Okay, not so strong. But the whole trend, so you see recently have a good bounce back. Okay, have a good bounce back. So I think short term should be no problem. I don't know your short term or long term, online gym. Okay, so you see, now market have very big divergence, very big of different opinions from different sides. Okay, so it means that you need to do more homework. Then you can have some confirmed way to survive. So how to survive in this divergence? Divergence between the vaccine or glove or other news. You see, now you can only focus on some concept, right? Glove concept or the after conventions or what. So you need to do some homework, which is very important. So also, Homely also have preview classes to give you more details of the whole system, how to lay out your strategy, which is very important. And tomorrow 11 double 11, we will also have a preview class to share you how to lay out in current market in this monkey market. How to lay out is very important. So you will find out that you will still continue to make money in the market because your system is applicable for the changeable market, okay, which is very important. So that's what we're gonna share you tomorrow night, 8 to 9:30 p.m. is preview class. So members can attend directly, but non-members need to register. Here is the number 011-165-27962. Just register with this number. Just send me, okay, say that you want to attend this preview class, 011-165-27962. Another important thing is that tomorrow is double 11. So also have a very, very good activity in Homely. If you have plantation, you have planned to join as a member. Okay, if you plan to join as member, because we have a very good promotion for you. So I can show you a little bit. And some of you maybe already know the price already, but I can show you a little bit. Okay, so here is the package. Basically, our price, we have two package, half yearly package and the lifetime package. So during this, I can explain some member service here if you join as a member. First thing, you can always have the latest version of Homely software. Even we have upgrade our functions, upgrade our Homely software, their functions or indicators, members, okay, members who already become members, no need to pay extra fee. But after upgradation of the Homely software, actually you need to the price will increase. You know that this price we have increased 700 ringgit after September, okay, because we will do some upgradation of our software. But if you have been already a member, you no need to pay extra money. So this is a free upgradation of the Homely software. Then we also offer one-to-one coaching to you, okay, to make sure you can easier access to use the software the first month. And also we have offer lifetime training course. Training course is more systematic to improve your analysis skill. One-to-one coaching is more personality for your own situation. And also we will do free installation for you and upgrade, okay? And also this Double 11, okay, Double 11 tomorrow, before we only give 1 month mobile version for free, but tomorrow we can give you 1 more month, but only around only 10 seats now, because we have opened this promotion from 2 days ago already. Now only have 10, okay? So if you're still not member, you also have planned to join member, here's a very good chance for you. This for half year version. And your software can only use 6 months. After that, every year is 1280. Of course, more worthy for you to get the lifetime version. Lifetime version, you no need to pay extra fee anymore. And the difference is that we can give you a mobile version 12 months, but tomorrow we have another 10, only 10 seats for you to have for 13 months mobile version, 13 months real-time version for free. Okay, this is a very, very good one. If you have planned to join member, you can contact me. I will give you more details. And also, yeah, so about the diagnosis almost of the day. And if you want to analyze your shares after the life, okay, if you want to analyze your shares after the live, and also you want to attend our preview class, if you want to join my WhatsApp broadcast group, you can just WhatsApp the number to me at 011 1652792. If you want to, okay, 011 1652792. And we also have branch in KL, Central, JB or Shanghai, the Penang Hotel Royal. You can also make one-to-one coaching there, and also need to book for me in advance. Okay, so thank you very much for your watching today. Very appreciate for all your wishes to me. Thank you very much. And also, if you can benefit a little bit of today's video, please give me a like and also share this video out. And the last thing is that don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn on the bell, so to make sure you can receive all the notification of this channel and improve your analysis skill. Okay, thank you very much and see you next time. Bye for now.
铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。我开始不管不顾不问这场疯狂，始终演给自己伪装。你说爱有多荒唐，谁会在你的身旁，却还是一个人流浪，和从前一样。直截了当，自私在不断生长。我多想陪你一场，也像你和我一样，就背上了行囊。你是我穷极一生到不了的天堂，却偏偏还是会奢望，让我铺天盖地琢磨，不停想象这未知的疯狂。我开始不 you.